In this video, we will show you how to replace an existing hinge with a cap balancer. First, remove the original hinge. After removal, polish and smooth the surface. Next, align the lid. If the manhole is tilted like this, shift the lid slightly upward rather than aligning it perfectly. Alignment of the lid before welding is a very important step, so make sure to do it. Then, secure the lid with bolts. Next, proceed with tack welding the cap balancer to the main body, then to the lid. After rechecking the lid's alignment following the tack welding, proceed with the final welding. Once the dummy pins are removed, the installation is complete. Finally, let's see the difference before and after installing the cap balancer. This lid weighs about 25 kilograms, and by replacing the hinge with a cap balancer, even those with less arm strength can operate it with ease. This significantly reduces the risk of hand or body injuries during operation and helps improve safety in the workplace. For more detailed information, please check the link in the description.